Hi everyone. I recently got a planner. This is the very first time that I've got a planner for myself, and today I'll be unboxing it and showing you all that a quick flip through of the entire planner. It comes in a bag like this, and this bag is also so good. With this, I got a few sticker sheets and the planner. I bought it from Amazon. I'll link it in the description box below so you can check it out for yourself. This is not a very expensive planner, it's a very good quality planner in a very low budget. So these are a few sheets that I got. These are so cute. With this, there is something for daily motivation also. You can use this in your planner somewhere or in your vision boards for your laptops and a lot of other things. So these are just amazing. I got almost 5 sheets and I love them all. See, these are a few stickers which can be used for your laptop and they're amazing. It is of a very good quality material. Paper is very fine and nice. And this is one sticker sheet that I got and I love it because I think this could be used as a poster for my room. So I kind of like it. Now let's do a good flip through of the planner. This is what the artwork on the planner looks like. This is such a beautiful hardcover planner. The art design is so beautiful and so pleasing to the eyes. I totally loved it. And the planner is thick also. When you open it, it has such good artistic things inside the planner going on. If you see, the planner belongs to page. It is also so beautifully designed. You can write your name here. You have a thank you from the brand itself. Then you have the page for the letter to your future self, and it is such a important page, I feel, in a planner. Then you have the vision board, which is one of the things which I want to try this year. I've never made a vision board for myself, so I'm super excited for this one. Then you have a finding passion page wherein you can write what are you most passionate about, things that comes to your mind that you love and everything according to that. Then there's a page called my goals. You can write your own goals, and the best part about this page is there are action steps. There is no goal which will be fulfilled without the action steps. So I just love it, and there are so many goals for you to write down. Then you have a gratitude jar section wherein you can write all the things that you're thankful for in 2023 and 2024. Then you have an idea bank section where you can just put in all your ideas. Then you have find your ikigai section where you can write a few things and come to a conclusion as to what you love the most and what you should work on. I think this is another great thing. Then you have a my lifeline page where you can write your birth date and all the achievements you've got till date, and this is also a very good page for yourself to go back to. Then we have the next section as my favorite memories, and this is also a very beautiful section where you can just paste a few pictures, polaroids and stuff. Then you have a problem solver section. I've never seen this in any planner, so I'm curious to try it out, but yeah, let's see what happens. Then we have a very beautiful poster, and then we have decision maker. So if there is any decision that you're confused about, you can write the pros and cons, options about it. This is also a very thoughtful page, curious to try it out. Then comes the budgeting section where you can write all your bills and track if you have paid it in every month or not. And then you have your financial overview also, wherein you can write your income, expenses, savings and other things. This is also a very thoughtful thing. This is such a beautiful page for all the highlights of the entire year. I love this page already. Then you have a poster and the start of the month. The sticker sheets which were provided to you, the month sheets can be pasted here, and I think the space is also quite good, and The art is also very beautiful. Then you have the monthly planner. Because it is an undated planner, you can write the dates according to you, the month you can write according to you, and I think that's the best part for people who are beginning with planning. Then there is an habit tracker. You can write your habits. You can use the sticker sheets also to just paste the habits and gym and stuff, and then you can track them for the entire month. Then you have a very spacious section for the daily planner. Now the people who have a lot of things to plan in a day, for them this would be slightly lesser space, but somewhere I feel for me to start it out, it's a very good spacious pages. And then we have the income tracker and expense tracker. This is one of the best pages, that is the monthly review. I love this page because there is so much to reflect upon to and write a few more questions and fill in details. And then in Feb, you can go back to Jan and just see your monthly review. I love this page. Then you have a brain dump section wherein you can just dump all the ideas, thoughts that you have. Then the entire planner just moves in the same process wherein you have the months, the undated sections, and the spaces to write your daily plans, monthly reflections, and all of it. And this is a flip through of the entire 12 months. Even if you skip a day or a month, it's okay because this is completely undated and you can plan your day, your year as however you want to. Then at the end of the planner, there is a self esteem chart where you can write what you're confident about, what you're insecure about, and everything. And you can fill your wish list as well for the items. Then you have a bucket list section, which is my favorite. You can write your top 10 and also others. So it's a very good thing to have so many spaces to write down your bucket list. And also your weekly self-care routine for your mind, body, and soul. Then comes your book list. You can write the names of the books here also, and in the section which is given right after it, the reading tracker, you can write down all the books that you want to read and rate them. Then comes the meal planner, which is not that important for me, but I might try it. And then there's a password keeper section where you can write the website, the usernames, and password, which you tend to forget. And then lastly, there is a movies and series tracker, also one of the best thing because I just keep writing down the movies that I want to watch. There is an ample space of notes with lastly the highlights of the year, and this is such a beautiful page. There's another artwork at the end and the calendars for 2024 and 2025. So overall, this is such a good planner. You can totally try it out. I love it, and if you're a beginner who wants a planner in your life, then this is the one you should go for it. Thank you for watching.